This is Lisa. Lyndon and I had a one-night stay in a Deluxe King at the Ameristar Casino and Hotel in Kansas City. Let's go check it out. We were pleasantly surprised at how clean and updated the room was, as this is an older hotel and casino. The bathroom had a private toilet and shower area. Full closet with doors. The king bed had fresh linens, lower to the ground than we are used to, but we did get a good night of sleep. Our view was the top of the garage, lounge chair with ottoman and a separate desk area. Inch TV, mini fridge, and a safe. We will definitely stay here again in the future. More details are in the description. Let us know in the comments if you have ever stayed or plan to stay here in the future. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.